Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for pre-eligibility for veterans to utilize a VA National Cemetery. First, we're going to go to the va.gov homepage. We're going to click on VA Benefits and Healthcare. We're going to see the drop down here, and we're actually going to come down to where it says Burials and Memorials. We're then going to click Pre-Need Burial Eligibility Determination. Once we click that, we're going to basically scroll down here until we see this green button here that says apply for pre-need eligibility. We're going to give that a click, wait till this loads, and then we're going to drop down here and click on start your application without signing in. You can sign in and start your application, but I think this is an easier way. So you'll see step 1 of 7 here. You can click if you are the veteran completing this application, the spouse, an unmarried adult child, or other. For this scenario, we're going to complete the application as the veteran. Of course, we're going to fill out the required boxes. You can add additional information if you would like, but it's not necessary. And then we're just going to go through the next steps here, just fill these out as we go here, clicking the boxes for the required information. And then we're going to drop down here to veteran, if you are, of course, out of the military at this point. And then, of course, branch of service. You can sort of type this in here. It gives you an easy box to choose which branch you were in. And you can fill out the additional information here, or if you're in maybe another branch or something, you can do this here. But we're going to click continue, click no here. And then of course you have to choose the national cemetery that you would like to utilize. So you can see there's a drop down, you can type in the name, and then it'll give you the options. Usually click no for here if this is the first time you're doing this. And then you can upload supporting files. So this is where you're going to upload your DD-214. You're going to click upload here, and then you're going to be able to access that file on your computer wherever you have it saved. I recommend uploading a DD-214. That way they can just process things and make sure you are pre-eligible. Going to enter your address here. Okay. And then basically at the end here, you can review the application. You can expand these to make sure the information is correct or see if you missed anything. But of course, we only did the required information here. And then you're going to click this box, click submit application. And usually in about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll receive your letter regarding your eligibility, whether you are eligible or if not. So that is how you complete your pre-eligibility for a VA National Cemetery. Thanks for watching.